Hi everyone, I'm Kiko, and I'm here to teach you all about the letter S. Let's get started. This is the letter S. Ooh, let's learn the sound the letter S makes. To make the letter S sound, you'll place your teeth close together with your lips a bit apart, and then you'll keep your tongue inside your mouth while air slides out over your tongue, like this. S, s, s. Can you try it? Go ahead. Yay! Now let's look at some words that start with the letter S sound. Soap, sock, snake, snail, scissors. All those words start with the letter S. Can you say those words with me this time? Soap, sock, snake, snail, scissors. Yay, great job! Now it's time for a quiz. I'm going to say a word and you have to tell me if that word starts with the letter S sound. Here's an example. If I were to say the word salad, salad, and then ask you if it starts with the letter S sound, you would say yes. But if I were to say the word yo-yo, yo-yo, and then ask you if it starts with the letter S sound, you would say no, because yo-yo does not start with the letter S sound. Okay, it's time to start the quiz. Here's your first word, skunk. Does skunk start with the letter S sound? It does. Skunk starts with the letter S sound. Now for your second word, pineapple. Does pineapple start with the letter S sound? Nope, pineapple does not start with the letter S sound. Let's try that one more time. Here's your last word, seashell. Does seashell start with the letter S sound? Yes, seashell does start with the letter S sound. Wow, great job, guys. Thanks for joining me today to learn all about the letter S sound. See you later.